Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, unless you live under a rock or something, I'm sure you're well aware that the markets have been a little volatile. And then with Trump's speech during the last part of the day and all the announcements and headlines, the market reacted quite bullishly. So the last 30 minutes of the day, huge volume, very nice price movement. So the very valid, the very logical question going into next week is, okay, yeah, there's no doubt about it. It made a great move, but is there any sort of actual power behind this? I have no idea, but by using a little common sense, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And the common sense, the logic says this, that if this is the start of something bigger, if there is genuine strength, well, the price is going to keep on getting bigger, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress. It's not going to go back to where it was. So that is where this level here at 260 becomes very, very important. And I'm not saying this will occur, but let's look at one potential scenario where the price comes back down to 260 and then goes below it. What would you have in this situation? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price were to come down here, but the difference being behave in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, now you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have progress being made in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in my mind at least, that quote-unquote progress point being defined as $260. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, I mean, these matter, but in my opinion, I'm not that concerned about them just because I'm just curious, can the price actually finally sustain these gains that they made during the final 30 minutes? But the next overarching level of resistance to watch going forward, right up there around $274. But like I said, in my opinion, $260, can the price stay above it and start to show some signs of progress? Let's see what happens next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.